started, I'll do the intro again. What is up, land of Bitcoin? Live stream action here for you. We've got this bullish little channel structure here. I've been talking about this. If you've seen my last few videos, you know where I left off. I've drawn in this little channel through here. It's not a great channel technically, but that's that bullish structure, right? Just like this one over here. Last time we printed a symmetrical triangle coming out of it. Broke down to the bottom, and then I noticed this falling wedge, this green guy here. And that was super bullish, and that's where we got the big pumperoo. Right? That's the November push. Those basically those 2 days right there. Those two green candles. I'm expecting a similar thing here. And look at this. Look at this. In my last video, I was talking about this might close down here somewhere. It is close. Sometimes in live streams I talk about stuff that I'd probably edit out if I was using an editor. But I was comparing it to this here, and that's kind of where we're at. See those three there, real similar. We're kind of riding the top, and right now we're actually back down into 56,241. I don't expect it to come down past this white line here at about 55,500. If it did, it might wick down to like 53,000 and then pop right back up. I think that's the worst dump that could be possible now. I don't think it's going to do that, but if it did, that's probably what would happen. And there goes my screen. That's wonderful. For some of this site is having some kind of problems lately. They did some kind of update a few days ago, or like a week or two ago, and I think they don't have everything quite right. So it's kind of got a little glitchy, if you noticed right there. But okay, so I actually took profit here. It was just kind of a spur of the moment thing. I saw it. I couldn't make a video about it. I want to make videos. I don't want to make videos short term like that, because by the time I get the video out, it's already over, right? So I actually got out here. I took profit here. I got back in here at about 56,400, and basically kind of even right now. But I probably shouldn't even talk about that. My plan is I'm in long right now, and I'm going to take profit. This white line up here is 63,500 area, 63,279. I'm going to take profit around here. I'm starting to take profit around 62,000. What's up, ADA, Mac? Yeah, you're welcome, man. This chart's working well. I hope some people are getting use out of it. I'm going to start taking profit early, and maybe it's too early. About 62,000, I'm going to start legging out. I'm going to start selling my longs. I wouldn't be surprised if this 63 to 64,000 is the top. It's kind of a head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, right, the head way up here, coming down here, and it might be the right shoulder. Technically, that's 66,000, but I just have a gut feeling it's coming here and then coming down. This is the last Friday of December. If you're watching my chart, Bitcoin dumps down to the last Friday every month, over and over and over and over and over and over, like clockwork. I expect the same thing, but right now, short term, super bullish. Oh, I just got yambling. So let me show you this trend line. Sorry about the reflection here. We got bright sunlight going here, so I got my little cardboard box up there keeping it out of my eyes. This time of year, the leaves fall off the tree line out there. So okay, so look at this. Look at this. I was drawing this in. So this falling wedge, this green one here, back in November, was super bullish, right? And as soon as I made a video about it, it popped out. I was saying maybe a few more days, but it came early. But anyways, let's see. Let's see if we can do that again right now. Check this out. Check this out. Watch this. Watch this. Uh-oh. 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 What's this, folks? What is this? What is this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's not technically wonderful, but there it is, right? There it is. And then we can draw in something like put him like here. See how it's working right off the top of that parallel channel again. See that? Look at that. See that? This was a super bullish structure coming down. When symmetrical triangle broke out the bottom just for about 12 hours, and this falling wedge was super bullish. Boom. Look at this channel coming down here. Nice super bullish pattern. It's kind of the same thing, right? We're kind of riding the top of it. I could draw this channel up on the tops of those candle bodies. Not so much here, but it's that same kind of structure, right? And look at this. Let me actually extend this green. I can probably extend this guy up here like so. Probably put him up here like so. Put him like right. I got my magnet on. Get my magnet off. Here. About like so, right? And this one's actually a wider one. So we're kind of down towards the bottom of it. So the breakout's probably in the next couple days. It goes right in line with what I've been saying. About 7 to 10 days or so, we're probably going to top out and then start the December dump. December dump could get kind of harsh. Don't be surprised if we come down here and touch the 40,000s. Just because everyone thinks, like I was looking around YouTube earlier today and I saw some of those huge channels talking about how Bitcoin's going to 100,000 in December and 87,000 in December. And I just got to be honest with you, that almost is delusional. 100,000 from here in December, it would take almost $1 trillion, right? Bitcoin is at a 1 trillion market cap right now. It would take almost another $1 trillion in the next 3 weeks to go to 100,000. Folks, that ain't happening. That's not happening. But it's that kind of sentiment that's out there that people put big bets on the futures market. You know, oh, Bitcoin's going to 100,000. You know, let me get rid of that. And then the people who sell those futures, I think is this what's happening. They're coming over here and they're manipulating this price every single month down to that futures close, and they're wiping people out in the futures market, I think is what's happening. But anyways, there it is. That it's not a perfectly technical deal, but it doesn't really have to be. It's just that kind of pattern. See that? So here it is, right? Something like this. Next couple of days, maybe it comes down here, something like this, right? Bam, right. Look, watch out for 1, 2, 3 big juicy green candles. Right? Is that looking kind of familiar? It's not going to be exact, right? But you know, and then maybe kind of hang up here for a day or two. Maybe there's a quick wick up to 66, but I'm getting out at about 62, and then I'm gonna start putting in I'm gonna start legging in my little tiny short increments, little tiny hundreds and hundreds of little tiny shorts, you know, like $10, $10, $10, $10. And then, you know, I don't care if it goes underwater, you know. My liquidation price will be like at 85,000 or whatever. And then catching this November dump, right, with these little shorts, and then sell my shorts back, and we'll wherever it bottoms out, you know. And then we're looking for the January pump oily, right? We're here in January for another pump oily. But this is probably pretty good. You know, maybe it happens today or tomorrow. Maybe it's a couple days. But I would suspect 7, 10 days. Probably be up around here, and that might be the top. So I guess I said what I need to say. But I like this. I like that when this guy showed up with these 2 wicks up here. You can draw it in like 1, 2, 3, 4 data points. See that? That's a beauty. Super bullish structure. Super bullish structure. I'm gonna get out of here. I sure hope you enjoyed it. And hey, thanks. Crypto's my retirement. Says best chart in the game. What's up, Crypto's my retirement? I enjoy your videos. I like your energy, dude. Appreciate you doing all that stuff for people. ADA Mac says thank you, bro. No, thank you for watching, bro. And Mr. Aurora says sup, homie. Sup, homie. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm out of here, man. Later.